This is lesson 5 of the 3G Welding Certification Series. This is the 4th video of this series, and now we're going to use the mechanized OFC torch to cut your straps out. We're going to follow these chalk marks. We'll light the torch, show you how to do it, and we'll have the 2 back straps. Here we go. There's the other one. So in conclusion, what we've done is we've successfully cut our straps out. These are the only 2 pieces that we're going to use for the bend. We used the mechanized oxy fuel cutting system. We cut them out. Now we're ready to grind them. Thank you.